Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can change inputs. So when you grab your remote control, you can spot that here you can find this button, so you have to simply tap on it. Just tap on it once, and here when you go for the all inputs by using this arrow and then clicking on the OK. Now you have to just wait. And as you can see here, we got all of the inputs, so we can simply switch for one of them. For example, let's pick the HDMI 2, and when you go on the right arrow, just like that, you can edit the inputs. There's the HDMI 2, but you can change it for the set-top box, DVD player, Blu-ray player, game console, PC, mobile device, or just streaming box. So you have to decide what you want to get. I will pick it as a PC, and you have to click OK to confirm, and you can also add the launcher or set up the universal control. So as you can see, there is a lot of options we can set up, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.